Hi everyone, welcome to Conceptual Thinkers talk section, Primary School Mathematics Concept with Teacher Ben. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Conceptual Thinkers, and also follow us on Facebook, Conceptual Thinkers Mathematics and English Hub. So today, the question that we will be going to discuss will be PSLE 2021, Paper 2, Question 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is to interpret the question. A bookshelf can fit 30 large books or 45 small books. There are 3 large books and 23 small books in the shelf. At most, how many more large books can be fitted into the shelf? So we need to first identify all the key phrases and understand what the question is asking for. Then, after highlighting the key phrases, we will need to do our second step, which is to identify the concept. So we know that 30 large books will be equal to 45 small books. Hence, we know that they actually want us to solve this question under equivalent ratio concept. So that means that 30 large books will be equal to 45 small books. So I'm going to explain to you how we actually implement the methodology. Okay, so given that 45 small books is equal to 30 large books, so one small book will be equal to 30 over 45. So how do I get that is, from 45 to become 1, we actually divide by 45. So we take 30 divided by 45 to get 30 over 45 large book. Then we can simplify and get 2/3 large book. And on the shelf right now, we have 23 small books here. So we take 2/3 times 23, and this will be equivalent to 15 and 1/3 large book. So let's calculate what is the space remaining. So when it's empty, we can put 30 large books. That's how we get the 30 here. Then currently there's 3 large book there. So if we remove away 3 large book, then we have to consider these 23 small books. And if we convert it to large book, it will be 15 and 1/3. So which means that the remaining space left over will be 11 and 2/3 large book. So we have to round it down because this 2/3 large book space will be wasted. You cannot put in one large book inside. You cannot squeeze in because you only have 2/3 large book space there. So that's why the answer here should be 11 large books. So next, let's try to inspect and check whether our answer makes sense or not. So since 23 small book is equal to 15 and 1/3 large book, so if we take 11, which is what we calculated for the answer, then we add in 3 large book here, then we add in 11 and 1/3 large book, so we will get 29 and 1/3 large book. So 29 is less than 30, so which means that the large book fits into the bookshelf. So 29 of them will fit inside the bookshelf. Okay, so that's how we actually ensure that our answer actually makes sense. Another way to check is 30 large book is equal to 45 small books. So if we divide by 10, we will get 3 large book equal to 4.5 or 4.5 small books. So 1 large book equal to 1.5 small books, then 11 large book, it will be equal to 16.5 small books. So we're going to calculate based on the small book perspective. So if we take 16.5 and we add 4.5, because these 3 large book will be equal to 4.5 small books, right? So, and we add the initial 23 small books. So we take 16.5 plus 4.5 plus 23, then we only get 44 small books, and we can still put into the space because 44 is still less than 45. So this is how we actually check whether our answer actually makes sense, and to ensure that our answer is actually correct. Okay, so in case you have any question, feel free to let us know, and also remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook. Okay, please share your question, and if you have any question that you want us to discuss or explain, please leave it in the comment below. We will do our best to create a video to actually address to your question. Okay, that's all for today's video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.